Hi guys, in this video we are going to do a replacement for this 7T. This one is a Oneplus. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the SIM tray. The SIM tray is removed. Then you want to heat the back off. So you heat around the edges. When you finish heating off the edges, you want to bend the back of the phone so it's already raising up. So it's off. So guys, I finished removing all the screws, and that ribbon is under the battery. That ribbon should be this one, the one we're seeing here. So we need to unplug all those different ribbons there, and then we need to remove the battery. The battery should be easy to remove, so you wanna unplug the battery as well, right? So unplug all these ribbons here. So you unplug these ribbons, then we want to remove the battery. There's a tape here, so we can use this tape. This is an easy way for us to remove the battery. This seems to be very tight, like I guess that mechanism is not working the way we think it would. Yeah, so we just remove the battery, and you can see the ribbon for the screen right there. So we are going to quickly remove that, and we have to remove this in order for us to get underneath. So let's just remove this, and then remove the ribbon. The screen is already coming apart, so we just remove the screen. Yeah, so I have the new screen. So what I am going to do, guys, I am going to test to ensure that the screen is working before we stick. So we're going to slip the ribbon through that hole. So let's create some clearance there. We need to remove this tape to get sufficient space. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to slip through the ribbon right here. So the ribbon is slipped through. Well, temporarily we are going to just put back the tape, but what we are going to do, we are going to connect the screen. You want to be so careful when you do this. So you're going to connect the screen. Screen is connected, and then we are going to connect the battery. So we connect the screen. We're just going to connect the battery. We're going to connect these two ribbons here temporarily, just to do the test. I'm going to connect this one as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to just make sure that the phone is charging and the screen is working properly before we stick the screen. So it says battery too low and a lot of different things there. So this phone needs to be charged up. I'm going to charge this up to a few percent. We're going to test the screen and we're going to stick. So it seems as though that this phone was put down for a long time. So what we're going to do, we are going to stick the screen because it will take a good couple minutes for this to charge up successfully. And what we're going to do, we are going to stick the screen. So we are going to clean around the edges of the frame just to ensure there is no old adhesive around. So there's a speaker at the top. So you need to make sure that you don't block the speaker hole. We are going to put some adhesive. These areas. So we should be able to stick the screen now. So guys, this is the ribbon for the screen. We just adjust the camera. We need to connect this ribbon right here. Make sure that it is in perfect position. Seems to be a bit longer than the original. So there we go. Then we have this piece of tape. We put that in place. Then we have the battery. We have the battery. We're going to put back in the battery in place. The battery actually sticks perfectly, so we don't have a major issue when it comes to sticking the battery. But we're going to stick it. We're going to give it a little bit of adhesive just for extra protection. So I just did that quickly. Ensure that. Then we're going to connect these ribbon here. That's 1 and this is 2. So before we actually put back on the back cover, put back on the screws, because it's a simple procedure. You put back in the back cover, put in back all the screws, then you remove all the old adhesive from the back cover, you stick back fresh adhesive, and then you stick back on the back cover, then you're finished. So what we're going to do, we are going to charge the device and we're going to test the screen. So guys, to conclude this video, the phone is charging, and for us to put back in the screws and put back up the back cover, that's quite easy for us. As you can see, screen is working and it's at 4%. So I hope that this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe. It's very good to test your screen before installing it. As to why I stick this one without testing it is because it was taking long to power up. It seems as though this phone was put down for some time. Yeah, so do like, share and subscribe.